Hello and welcome to Orissa Post Live. You are watching the news roundup of the day with Lopita. Talking about the top stories.
Class 10 students of government-run schools tried to march Tuesday to Navin Nivas seeking clarity on their future. They demanded that like ICSE and CBSE, the BSE exams should also be scrapped. They said they will intensify their agitation if the Orissa government does not take a decision on matriculation exams within the next 2 days. Thirteen Kumbh Mela returnees to Cuttack district have tested positive for COVID-19. BMC officials say Tuesday. So far, 30 people from Cuttack district have returned from Kumbh and have undergone RT-PCR tests. All religious places in Bhubaneswar and falling under the area of the BMC will remain closed for visitors from 21st April till further notice. BMC Commissioner Prem Chandra Chaudhary gave this information Tuesday through a video clip. Kendrapara twins who were born conjoined with one torso, 2 heads and 3 hands breathed their last Sunday night. Doctors treating them said Tuesday. They said that in spite of their best efforts, the twins could not be saved. The ICSE Class 10 board examinations have been cancelled due to the coronavirus surge in India, the CISCE said in a statement Tuesday. It also informed that Class 12 exams have been postponed and a new date will be announced after reviewing the situation in June. Orissa reported its highest ever daily spike since the COVID-19 outbreak with 4,761 new cases reported Tuesday. On the other hand, India reported a little over 2.59 lakh new infections, a slight decrease from the over 2.73 lakh cases reported Monday. The centre will be releasing Rs 4,500 crore in advance to Serum Institute and Bharat Biotech to ramp up vaccine productions. This amount will later be adjusted with vaccine procurement. Sources also said that the government is planning to waive customs duty on import of vaccines to provide those at affordable rates. The Supreme Court stayed Tuesday the Allahabad High Court's order asking the Uttar Pradesh government to enforce strict restrictions including closing of public places till 26th of April in 5 cities of the state. Among the 5 cities were Allahabad, Varanasi and Lucknow. Despite Britain's decision to put India in the red list and ban Indian travellers from entering the country, the ICC is confident that it will be able to host the World Test Championships final on schedule. India face New Zealand in the final, which will be played on 18 to 22 June at Rose Bowl in Southampton. Like many of his contemporaries, Ajay Devgan is all set to make his digital space debut. He will feature as a cop in the web series Rudra, The Age of Darkness. Shooting for the series will begin soon and the series will be streamed on Disney Plus Hotstar. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi Tuesday said he has tested positive for COVID-19 and has mild symptoms. After experiencing mild symptoms, I have tested positive for COVID-19, the 50-year-old posted on Twitter.
That's all in today's bulletin. You were watching the news roundup by Orissa Post Live.